Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to set home screen wallpaper for sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, open settings on your phone and then click on this tab named Mode and Routines. After, on Sleep, and then scroll down until you will see this Change Appearance tab. Right here you can see the cover screen, lock screen and home screen. I will pick home screen for example, and right here you can set up any wallpaper, for example the favorited Samsung wallpapers or something from your gallery. For example, I will choose the wallpaper from my gallery, set it up just like this, and then click Done. Click OK, and that's it. Now if we will take a look on our home screen, you can see that here we can see different wallpaper. Why is it? Because this wallpaper works only when the sleep mode is turned on. So if we will turn on the sleep mode, you can see the wallpaper that we have just set. And that's it. Now you know how to set home screen wallpaper for sleep mode. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.